Most people think that email marketing automatically equals expensive software, and with popular tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, or Klaviyo that can run you back hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, it's easy to see why. But you don't actually need these expensive tools for email marketing at all. You can start running powerful email campaigns on a shoestring budget using just Gmail, and I'm going to show you how. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to start sending high quality email marketing campaigns without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. Before you send a single email, you need a place to store and organize all of your contacts. Think of this like your free homegrown CRM. Popular CRMs can cost anywhere from $50 to $300 a month. So instead, we're going to build a free system inside of Google Sheets, which has everything that you need. Essentially, we're going to use Google Sheets as your database. We're going to start by adding key columns for your recipients, like their name and email addresses. Then we can add any optional tags we want, like acquisition source, activity level, product interest, location, last contacted, or anything else that we might want to use to send relevant, segmented campaigns later on. But if you don't have any of that, then it's fine to just add your list of emails into the Google Sheets and expand more in the future. Now that you've got a system, it's time to fill it in. Now, believe it or not, you don't need paid lead magnets or list buying schemes to do this. Google Forms, free checklists, and importing past contacts are all 100% free ways that you can grow your list ethically. Let's start with Google Forms because it is perfect for collecting signups. You can embed it on your website, post the link on social media, or even share it as a QR code at events. It's clean, free, and it integrates really easily with Google Sheets for managing contacts later. Next, you can import all of your past contacts. Think clients, leads, or anyone who's interacted with your business before. Just make sure that they've opted in or given you permission for you to send them emails. Depending on the country, there are laws and regulations around unsolicited mail, so it's best to be safe. Finally, if you want to start attracting new subscribers for free, try offering a super valuable free piece of content, something like a mini guide. You can offer this wherever your audience is, and it doesn't need to be super fancy. It just needs to solve a real problem that your target audience cares about. Now, once your list is ready, it's time to start sending. Gmail can actually handle a lot more than what people think it can, and it does this in several ways. Well, 3 main ways, and I'm going to show you the pros and cons of each, starting from basic to most powerful. The simplest way to run an email campaign is the classic manual or BCC method. Basically, you send emails manually one-on-one or drop a bunch of recipients in the BCC field. Here's how to do it. Write out an email once and then save it as a template by going to settings, then advanced and templates, and then reuse it for each contact or for a BCC batch. You can then use schedule send to space them out over a few hours or days, and then track everything manually in your Google Sheet by noting who you've contacted, who replied, and when. So let's talk about the pros. It is 100% free, it's really easy to use, and it's totally within Gmail. The cons? Well, it doesn't scale well, personalizing every email gets slow, and tracking manually gets messy fast. That starts to make option 2 look really enticing. If you're on certain paid Google Workspace plans, then you might have access to Gmail's native mail merge feature. It lets you pull info like names or companies directly from a Google Sheet straight into your messages. This process is almost exactly the same as before, where you still use your Google Sheet to store contacts and templates for your messages. But now, Mail Merge lets you automate the personalization process, giving you a step up over simple BCC methods with generic greetings. So the pros? Well, it's built right into Gmail, so there's no extra software to install. But the cons is that it's only available on high-tier workspace accounts, which most people don't have. And even then, it is very limited. You get no advanced scheduling, no tracking, and no automated follow-ups. You can't even put their mail merge into the subject line, which is quite a bummer. So if you're trying to send anything at scale, then you're going to be juggling sheets, templates, and manual updates. But if it's part of your workspace plan, then it's there ready for you to use. But now let's talk about option 3, which is Chrome extensions. If you want to stay in Gmail but scale your email marketing, then this is where Chrome extension comes in. They allow you to level up Gmail's existing features without making you commit to third-party apps or complicated dashboards. There are a few out there that help you send campaigns more efficiently, but GMass is easily the best all-round option for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone trying to do email marketing on a budget. GMass plugs directly into Gmail, so everything we've already set up in this video, your contacts, your sheets, your templates, still work, but you just gain superpowers on top of it. Here's how you'd send your first campaign using GMass. First, connect your Google Sheet to GMass like this. This imports all of your contacts and any personalization fields you've set up, like name or company. Then you can write your email in Gmail like you normally would, but what's amazing about GMass is it allows you to use HTML templates so that you're not stuck with plain text emails. You can then personalize those templates using the mail merge tags from your sheet. It's like Gmail's mail merge, except now the only limitation is what you can put into your sheet. And when you're ready to send your campaign, click the red GMass button instead of the regular blue send button. And that's it. GMass automatically sends out your email campaign to everyone in your sheet, personalized for each recipient. Now there is so much more that you can do with GMass, things that even the most premium email tools offer, but without paying premium prices. Here are a few of the most useful features that you'll be using on a daily basis. The first is better scheduling. You can plan campaigns to send on a specific day and skip weekends and holidays. One-click tracking. See who opened or clicked right from your inbox at the click of a button. Super simple. Easy automated follow-ups. Easily set up drip campaigns, recurring sequences, and even triggered messages that go out automatically when someone opens or clicks another message. GMass includes automations in your plan, and you don't need to take an entire day building out complex flowchart workflows to put them together. Higher sending limits. Normally, Gmail limits how many emails you can send, but GMass helps you break those limits. And unlike expensive email software out there like MailChimp, GMass gives you unlimited contacts and emails every month. Unlimited. You heard right. Automatically verify your list. Email verification services can add another $100 a month to your email marketing expenses or more. GMass has built-in email verification that comes with your plan, so you can make sure that the addresses on your list are all valid. And our spam solver. Test your emails before sending them to see where they're headed. Don't guess, just test, tweak, and land in the inbox where you deserve to be. It's the same as the workflow you've already learned, except now it's smarter, faster, and more trackable. So instead of paying hundreds of dollars a month for email marketing tools, you can just stay inside Gmail, use the system you already know, and let GMass do the heavy lifting for you. And there you have it, the beauty of Gmail. By starting with the tools that you already have, you can replicate systems that other companies spend thousands of dollars to achieve, and when you pay that with GMass, you can actually outperform them at a fraction of the cost. If you found this video helpful, then please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. We post new videos like this every single week, packed to the brim with email tips, tricks, and strategies that level up your email game or just make sending emails less painful. And if there's a specific challenge that you're facing in the world of email, then please leave a comment about it under this video. We'll either help you on the spot or we'll make a video about it if we think it can help more people. For now, thank you for watching and happy emailing.